so don't forget to bring your umbrella.
Huh? 90% chance of rain? Ma, the reporter said there's a 90% chance of rain tomorrow. What does it mean? Oh, if the chance of rain tomorrow is 90%, 90% is close to 100%. That is, rain is likely to happen. Oh yeah, I remember now. Our teacher already taught us that lesson about probability. Another day, another lesson. Today, let's learn about probability. Probability describes the chance of the event happening. We can talk about probability as being certain, quite likely, equally likely, somewhat likely, or impossible. So let's look what each of them means. If you have only bananas in the box, how would we describe the chance of picking a banana in the box? As we have only bananas in the box, we will pick a banana every time we pick a fruit from this box. Therefore, the probability of picking a banana is 100% or certain. What if we have apples and bananas in the box, but we have more bananas than apples? How would we describe the chance of picking a banana in this case? As we have more than half of the box filled with bananas, the chance of picking a banana from the box will happen more than half of the time. Therefore, the chance of picking a banana from the box will happen quite likely or more than 50%. What if we have the same number of apples and bananas in the box? How would we describe the chance of picking a banana from the box? As we have exactly the same number as bananas and apples in the box, the chance of picking a banana in the box will happen half of the time. Therefore, the probability of picking a banana is equally likely or 50% as picking apples from the box. What if we have less bananas in the box than apples? How would we describe the chance of picking a banana from the box this time? As we have less than half of the box filled with bananas, the chance of picking a banana from the box will happen less than half of the time, or less than 50%. Therefore, the probability of picking a banana is somewhat likely. What if we have only apples in the box and no bananas? How would we describe the chance of picking a banana from the box? As we have no bananas in the box, this event will never happen or 0%. Therefore, the probability of picking a banana here is impossible. Remember, probability can have a value from 0 to 1. The closer it is to 1, the greater the chance of the event occurring. There might be a chance of class suspension tomorrow.